Today, as promised, we're going to cover plumbing. One of my most unfavorite topics, but still a topic nonetheless, was actually requested by somebody. Um, and this is going to be the short version. And you may ask, why does he keep making short version videos? Well, the honest truth is, I have a lot of content to make. There are a lot of videos to cover, and I just want to help y'all out. I want to help whoever I can out. And at the end of the day, I know I searched for a lot of videos, and there was very specific things I was looking at, and that's where y'all come in. Comment, like, subscribe. All three. Help push this these videos, any of the videos that I make, help them get to the top of the search engines, etc., the algorithms, mainly because I want to help people, because I am trying to get, especially if you have a Prevost H series with these conversions, some specific things that I had to do to make it work in this bus. If you're doing a coach bus, even if you're not, I want to be here to help. I want to try to, point your way. There's gonna be a lot of things that we cover on the on this channel, and fixing to go camping, road trips, how tos, bus maintenance, so on and so forth. Like and subscribe. But now let's get into the video of plumbing. All right, guys, let's get into it. We'll start up here with the sink. And I do want to address one thing. I know some of y'all probably spotted, trim that needed to be retacked, and emergency hatch that needs to be covered and stuff like that. The coach is about 90%. A lot of trim pieces, just very minor things. We can use it, and it is amazing. But just wanted to say that, just really because we're going to be doing future videos on, those different items, and buttoning those things up and so on and so forth. But just wanted to show you all the plumbing. So there's the toilet, sink, and then now the shower. Couple little line items I just want to kind of just address and talk about. One is we still got to do the hot water heater. And so I actually have this panel to put back up, or to put up, excuse me. And got to do that. So I'm sure that'll be another video that we cover. One, we did find the highest flow toilet we could. And I'll show you a picture of the some of the plumbing that went along with that, and show you all probably the most challenging part of the plumbing, which was that right there. That was a royal pain. Getting all of the getting the fall right, getting everything to drain right, traps and everything. That was fun. And so anyway, we're going to be doing future video, like I said, a future video, excuse me, on that. Really a lot of things, things such as how to pull the side skirts off to get to the sides, and where some of that plumbing is, how to pull the front bumper down. I've got something I need to address in there, and there's just gonna be a lot of things. So like and subscribe, but let's go out to the water bay and let's see what's going on with that. All right, here we are in the beloved water bay. Looks like a train wreck, mainly because of the hose and stuff like that. But let's dive into it. That back there with the foam around it, trying to seal it up a little bit, that is the toilet pipe coming into the black tank. And those other lines back there are the two sinks. Over here, we have the shower coming through, and then the PEX for the water supply. Got to finish up the hot water, as I stated. Still got the hot water heater is going to go back there. We're going to do a tankless hot water heater. Should be great. I've already got it, picked out and all the things. Just waiting to do that. I built a manifold for my water. Probably, I'm not a plumber. Would much rather do electrical than plumbing. But here's where I am. I've got shutoffs, so I can shut the water off here and to each fixture as well. And I also have a fill. I didn't, the other video I tried to make, it didn't work out, but I got a fill so that I can fill my freshwater tank, and I keep probably about 50 gallons roughly, mainly so that if the coach overheats or something like that, I've got water. So anyway, also behind that side skirt, there's some plumbing, the other side skirt as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will definitely be doing more videos, or a longer version video of this one on plumbing, the HVAC, the electrical. Comment, like, and subscribe. That way I can know what exactly y'all want me to cover. So thank you.